All right, so we have a sample problem. It's a variation of the mother pushing the baby stroller while jogging problem. So in this goofy example, we have a guy named Fred pushing a grocery cart. So as always in science, we should probably start with a picture. So we got a grocery cart here. Okay, and this is Fred here. This Fred is waving at us. And he's pushing the grocery cart. He's accelerating it. So let's label what we do have. It says pushes a grocery cart from rest. So he starts at rest. That's VI equals 0 meters per second. We have an acceleration, little a, which is 3.4 meters per second squared, which is also in the correct unit, which that's nice. What is the velocity? Well, that sounds like final velocity equals question mark. After he has traveled 14 feet. That sounds like delta x, displacement. 14 feet, though. 14 feet we have to change. So real quick, 14 feet over 1 feet, meters, 1 meter is 3.28 feet. That cancels. So you got 14 divided by 3.28, which is somewhere around 3 meters. So this will equal 4.3 meters. So this is the one we want to use because we got to get our units all agreeing. There's no time interval in this problem, which means you're going to have to use this formula here. This is the one that you're going to use, and very soon you're going to be getting into a bunch of different variety of problems where you're going to have to pick the right one. And that's where the A students will start to distance themselves from everyone else, and I hope you all get A's. So let's do this. Start with the formula. I'm going to rewrite it. And if you were timing me just now, that probably took about 5 seconds to actually write that. So it doesn't take very long. Plugging everything in. We don't know VF, and that's VF squared. VI is 0, so that's 0 squared, which is going to be 0. So this is just going to be 2A delta x. So it's 2 times A, which is 3.4 meters per second squared, times 4.3 meters. All right, so we got VF squared equals 0 plus all that. So I'm just going to take the calculator here and do 2 times 3.4 times 4.3, and that would equal 29.24. And that would, the unit, by the way, would be meters squared over seconds squared, which is a dead giveaway that we need to square root both sides of this. So we square root both sides. So we take the square root of 29.24, and we get something like 5.4. So our final velocity is 5.4 meters per second. Final answer. Have a good one.